Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my brother-in-law Adam, and we've got his 2003 Honda Accord 4-door. Now his front driver's side window is having a hard time doing, this thing where it goes up and down. So we're going to pull that door panel off and take a look at it and see what's going on, see if it's maybe bound up or see if maybe just the motor's going bad. Slowing down right there. Okay, go back up. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on. Come on. There she goes. Alright, so that might be a couple of things. It could be getting bound at that point right there.
You think so?
Maybe the mechanism is tweaked a little bit at the bottom. That's why it's easier for it to go at the upper end. So as it comes down, it gets a little bound up and it struggles. And when we go back up, it gets past that point. And then it releases and it goes all the way. So motor may not be bad. It could be just linkage bound up. So we'll get the door panel off and see if we can narrow down what's causing that. If I remember right, there's a little clip right here, and this cover comes off right there.
Yeah.
And then underneath the handhold right here, there's a screw there.
Yep.
This just unscrews like that. And then the rest of the panel on the bottom will just kind of pop around, and we'll try to do it carefully so that way we don't break any of the plastic tabs. And then this comes off here, and then there's another screw right there. So yeah, it actually won't be that bad. Once we get this panel away a little bit, we'll be able to reach in and unplug all the electronics.
Yeah.
And then go from there. So because these electronics will come out of this pocket. So once the panel's off, we can plug the electronics back in it. That way we can run the windshield or the window and see exactly what's going on with it. We just popped the panel off. And then up here, the top cable, this is for your door release. So you pull that out of that hook right there, and then you can undo it from here. I'm gonna have to put my phone down, but you guys see what's going on there. You can unhook it and then pull it up. And then unplug the electronics on the bottom, and then the door light. Alright, so we got the door panel off. This plug would not come off. So what we did was we undid all these little tabs, pulled it through the door handle, turned it, and shoved it back through the hole it came out of. This is fine because we're going to need it like this anyway in order to test this window. So that's all fine. Let's see where the motor's at. I hear it. Okay, it's right here. I wonder. Well, it should go down nice now. There we go. Much better. So, what it ended up being, if you look inside of here, there's door rubber. There's rubber in the channel there, and it slides in as it comes down. Here, you want to hold that flashlight? Aim it right in here. So as this comes down, that window goes into the slide of that rubber, and it keeps it on the track, keeps it nice and smooth. So what had happened was, inside of here, that rubber had come out of the track and it was binding up. So all I simply had to do was push this rubber back down into the track where we're supposed to be and run the window a few times with some help of some lubricant because it hasn't been riding on that track in a while, and run the window a few times, and now it's running as it should. Nothing's bound up. The motor's working. It's been working this whole time. I mean, it's a little bit warm, but we've been running the hell out of it, so that's to be expected. But other than that, it all seems to be working fine. So we just put it back together and call it a day.
Like a glove.
Yeah, that's a heck of a lot better.
Okay guys, thanks for watching the channel. That's going to do it for Chris Peters DIY. I hope you guys got something out of this and learned something. If you like what I do here, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button for me. Alright, see you guys next time.